In this video, we'll review the tax settings in Service CEO. We begin on the Settings tab by clicking the tax link here under the My Company heading. Under the tax link is where we configure the different tax rates. We have tax levels on here, and within each level there are individual rates. The purpose of this is to accommodate all of the different options of tax levels. Some states and some places have one standard tax level. For example, the state of Massachusetts charges a 6.25% state tax on all purchases regardless of the location. However, some places, for example Texas, charge a state tax and then also actually charge county taxes and city taxes. So again, the purpose of a level is to accommodate all of those options. In this scenario, we're looking at a company that does business in both Massachusetts and Texas. The first tax level we've called the state tax level. This has either Massachusetts or Texas. Next we have tax level 2. This is the actual city level. Again, we have different rates within here. We've accommodated these two particular cities in here. Moving down, we have a third level, which would be the county tax. Again, you can have multiple tax rates within each level. You can have up to 5 tax levels set up on here, each with an unlimited number of rates inside of it. To edit the name of a tax level, you simply click the edit button up at the top here, edit it, and click save. Then when we go back to our tax levels, we'll see that state tax rates has not been changed. To mark a level inactive that has been set up, you simply come in and uncheck this active box here to turn it off, whereas to add on another level, we click edit and check the active box, which actually turns on that next level of taxes. Adding rates within a level is as simple as clicking add new under a level to add into this particular one. And finally, editing the names or changing the tax rates is as simple as coming here, clicking the edit button, and you can make a change to the name or the rate. Let's say, for example, the Massachusetts state tax will increase to 7 as of June 1st. We can go in now and change this, and we'll get a pop-up box that asks when this tax rate should be effective. So if we know that this is changing June 1st, we can move forward, choose June 1st as my active date, and hit OK. This will update the Massachusetts state tax rate to be 7% as of June 1st. Let's go to a customer to show you how this is impacted. When we now add in a customer, we will see all of our different tax levels here on the left. See the state, city, county, and tax 4 that we just added on. Within each of these, we can click the drop down to see the different rates are within it. However, the green plus symbols next to these drop downs allow you to add rates, tax rates, without leaving this page. So for example, if this is in the city of San Antonio and we forgot to get that set up in here, we can simply come in, add that in, and now we've saved the San Antonio tax rate. It's very, very, very important to choose the proper tax rate for your customers' locations. We have zone and tax rules that can help with that. This will be covered in the zone and tax rules training video. But just to clarify, it is extremely important that your locations have been set up as tax eligible. So, for example, for this account, the Anderson family, if we go look at their locations down here, I can come into the location and actually see which tax rates have been set. If a tax rate has not been set on here, tax will not calculate. In this scenario, of course, they're in Massachusetts, so they just get the state tax rate. But again, if your location has not been made eligible to be taxed, your invoices will not be taxed until this is changed. This concludes the training video on taxes in Service CEO. Please contact us with questions.